to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you.
Galuh Chandrakirana, the daughter of the king of Daha, was famous for her beauty and kindness. She was also humble and polite. The crown prince of Kahuripan kingdom, Raden Inukertapati, who was also famous for his good looks and kind heart, fell in love with her. The princess accepted his proposal, and soon they would get married. Another princess, Galuh Ajeng, was jealous of Chandrakirana. She thought that Inukertapati should have married her, so she went to see a wicked witch. She asked the witch to curse Chandrakirana so that bad things would happen to her. The magic power of the witch made the king of Daha angry with Chandrakirana. He thought his daughter was a bad girl, so he ordered Chandrakirana out of the palace. After that, she became homeless. Then, the witch turned her into a golden snail. One day, Desi brought her to Dadapan village. An old woman found her.
What a beautiful snail it is,
She said. She took the snail home and took care of the snail. Then she put the snail in a jar. Miracles happened at her house from that day on. Every day, there were delicious meals on her table. The woman wondered who cooked the food. One day, she left the house, but then went back and peeped inside. She saw the snail turning into a beautiful princess. Meanwhile, Prince Inukertapati was sad. He looked for Princess Chandrakirana everywhere, until one day he came to Dadapan village. He decided to stop by the nearest house to ask for some water to drink. There, he found Chandrakirana. They were very happy to meet again. Their love broke the spell of the witch. Finally, they got married and lived happily ever after.
Oh, hi everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How was the video you have watched? Did you feel entertained by it? Well, I hope so. What does this story tell you about? Excellent! The story tells us about a princess who was cursed into a golden snail. The story of Golden Snail is one of the examples of narrative text. So, what does narrative text mean? Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic events, and it tries to find a resolution to solve problems. Besides, it's also an imaginative story which is fictitious, full of imagination, and sometimes out of logic. Narrative texts are commonly in the form of fable, myth, legend, folklore or folktale, and fairy tale. Can you mention another examples of narrative text? Good job! The purposes of narrative texts are to amuse or to entertain readers and to educate or to teach them some moral values. Narrative text is arranged from several parts which are called generic structure. The generic structure of a narrative text consists of three parts. They are orientation, complication, and resolution. Let me explain it one by one, and we are gonna use the Golden Snail story. Kita akan menggunakan teks The Golden Snail untuk pembahasan struktur teks pada teks naratif. First of all is orientation. The moment when the narrator introduced Galuh Chandrakirana, who her father was, who Prince Inukertapati was, and so on, something that we know in the beginning of the story is called orientation. So it states the scenes and introduces the characters. Di bagian orientation, maka tokoh utama dan tokoh pendukung lainnya akan mulai diperkenalkan. Orientation ada di paragraf pertama. The second part of narrative text is complication. The moment when Galuh Ajeng asked the witch to curse Chandra Kirana until the old woman that saw the snail turning into a beautiful princess is called complication. Bagian complication memperkenalkan masalah yang terjadi di dalam teks, mulai dari awal permasalahan, semakin memuncak hingga ke puncaknya, dan juga ketika permasalahan sudah mulai mereda. Complication biasanya ditemukan di paragraf kedua sampai dengan satu paragraf sebelum paragraf terakhir. And the third part is resolution. It shows how the story ends, either in happy or in sad ending. From the Golden Snail story, we can see that finally Prince Inukritapati got married with Chandra Kirana and they lived happily ever after. That is what we call as resolution. Resolution adalah akhir cerita dari kisah tersebut. Bagian resolution bisa ditemukan di paragraf yang terakhir. Well, there's actually one part left but it's optional, which is called reorientation or coda. It's about the moral value or the moral lesson of the story. And the moral value of the Golden Snail story is love, sincerity, and kindness will win over hatred and evil deed. Di bagian reorientation yang berisi pesan moral kepada pembaca, seringnya tidak disebutkan secara langsung di dalam teks, tetapi para pembaca harus menyimpulkan sendiri apa yang ingin disampaikan kepada mereka. Next, we are going to talk about the language features of narrative text atau struktur kebahasaan di dalam narrative text. A narrative text uses past tense, action verbs like run, walked, ate, and etc. Thinking verbs like thought, felt, understood, and many more. It also uses saying verbs like said, promised, told, and etc. And narrative text also uses adverbs like once upon a time, one day, finally, and many more. Well everybody, I think that's all from me. I hope this video can be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.